Assalamu alaikum, Hijabi adventurers! Are you ready to take your hiking adventures to the next level and incorporate praying while you're on the trail? Taking wudu outdoors or taking an ablution can be a bit challenging when you're outdoors, but with a bit of planning, it can be done. The key is to plan ahead. Before you set out on your hike, make sure you know when your next source of water will be and plan your route accordingly. It's also a good idea to bring a spare water bottle with you, just in case you don't have access to water when it's time to take wudu and pray. Remember to organize your life around your prayer and not the other way around. It might take a little bit more effort, but the real purpose is that you get to pray on time and in the most scenic spots. Alhamdulillah. So next time you hit the trail, don't let the lack of water or the fact that you're out and about exploring and hiking or the fact that you need to pray in public stop you from fulfilling your religious obligations. With a little bit of planning, you can take wudu and pray in the most beautiful, great outdoors. Happy hiking and praying, my loves!